Good morning. I didn't expect to see you sitting there. Come in. Hiya, Bobo. What are you doing? I've not seen you for a while. Where you been? How did you know I'm here? Did you just guess? Look, over here. Get your picture taken. Lovely to see you. I'm afraid you can't come in this morning. Oh, I'm sorry. Now, where have you been? Where have you been, Bobo? You lovely pretty cat. You like Andrew, don't you? Well, I'm surprised you've not been around. Especially at full moon. How did you ken I was in this morning? I'm just going to wee out. It's 9 o'clock, Bobo. It's 9 o'clock and I'm just away to leave the house. I am. Yep. Now, look. Over here. Over here. You got a wee itch, have you? You're a beautiful cat. You're getting bigger, aren't you? You're getting bigger. Who's feeding you? I've not got anything for you, actually. Would you like some Dover sole for lunch? Would you like some Dover sole or halibut? I'll get you a tin of cat food for the... Because you always come and see Andrew. You're a very beautiful little thing, aren't you? At least you come and see me up and down, doesn't? She's on the way out, I have to tell you. Had enough of that. She's on the way out, Mr. Pussycat. Or Mrs. Pussycat. You never gave me your name. You never gave me your name. What is your name? Look. Come over here. Come over here and get on your picture. Could you just give me your name, please? Will you bring a good energy to the house, Andrew? Come on then, out you come. Here, I've got to go. I'll put you out just now, okay? Bye bye, Bobo.